Hey guys, welcome to Naga's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you one pot dish mutton pulao. Looks very yummy, right? So why late? Let's get started. Take a cooker, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the whole spices. You can take totally ghee or totally oil as per your wish. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. After it gets roasted, add 3 to 4 green chilies. Add few cashews and roast them well. I have taken here 4 onions which are thinly sliced and now roast them well. The pulao I am preparing it for 5 people. When the onions change its color, now add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Use rock salt for the best taste. Now take 4 tomatoes which are cut down into small pieces. Mix them well and cook them for 5 minutes. Close the lid for 2 minutes until the water oozes out. Now it's time to add the spices. Now add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and half tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now Kashmiri red chili powder is optional. You can use or you can skip. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Sort it out well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see the tomatoes became mashy and it is cooked perfectly. Now add 1 kilo of mutton. Here I have cleaned the mutton and washed it with turmeric and salt. Mix it well. Now close the lid for 5 to 7 minutes and let it get cooked. After 7 minutes, open the lid and see the water oozes out from the mutton. Now add half a cup of coriander leaves and mix it well. Add half a cup of water. Mix it well and let it get cooked for 2 minutes. And check for the seasoning. Pressure cook it for 4 whistles. Rather than saying 4 to 5 whistles, you can take the whistle as per the mutton you have taken. Now see, after 4 whistles, the mutton is cooked perfectly. Now we have extra water too. So basing on that, we'll be adding the water. Now I have taken 3 cups of soaked basmati rice, which I have washed it and soaked it for 30 minutes. For 3 cups of rice, I have added 3 cups of water. Now we have already water present in the mutton. So I will be adding 2.5 cups of water. The water ratio is 1:1. At this point of time, check for the seasoning. If you need to add salt, add at this point of time because rice becomes blunt. Now add 2 green chilies and few coriander leaves. And add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Just give it a quick light mix and pressure cook it for 1 whistle on a medium flame. After a whistle, close the lid and let it rest for 10 minutes and then open it. See, it was cooked perfectly, right? Looks yummy. So why late? Try this weekend and do let me know with your comments. Served it with chicken fry and few onions at the side and lemon. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.